Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Biswasam Rain fight scene.
Yes, so we have Tala Ajit sir here.
Yes.
Okay, he's our favorite, and every time like we see his fighting kind of scenes, we are like, okay, he is
Right.
very handsome, and his fighting is like is
Yes.
having some another level
Right.
to
And,
watch and to enjoy.
Yes, and in Biswasam
Basically.
movie as well, he
Yeah.
altogether came out with a different kind of getup, right?
Get-up, yes,
With
yes.
a full
Ah.
getup in white.
In white, yes,
Yes.
definitely. We can't wait to see the video, okay, with
Yes.
you all. So let's get started.
And this is a fight scene, so of
Yeah.
course we will enjoy it. I will mostly.
Means like he will enjoy the
Yes.
most because he likes actually the
Fight
fight
scene.
scenes and all. I also love, but the blood and cut what wala scene, I'm like,
I think you will not able to see that much cuts and all because
Yes.
it's in rain, so there will
uh-huh.
be less cuts in.
then I will enjoy definitely. And this is Ajit sir, okay, so definitely I will be enjoying, I know that, okay. So let's get started, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Okay. Handsome man.
This look super.
Oh my god.
சொல்லு ஸ்வேதா. அம்மா பைக்ல நிறைய பேர் என்ன தொடுறாங்கம்மா. ஸ்வேதா. அம்மா பயமா இருக்குமா. என்னாச்சு ஸ்வேதா? தாராவி ஜங்ஷன்ல இருந்து தொடுறாங்கம்மா. அவங்க யாருன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். Call the security.
Nayantara.
She's very
ஊர் புதிய காமிச்சிட்டல. வாளுங்களோட வந்து என் குழந்தையை கூட்டிட்டு போக பாக்குறியா?
நீ கடைசி வரைக்கும் என்ன நம்ப மாட்டல.
pretty and powerful, I'm telling actually.
நடிக்காத.
Strong kind of
தாராவி ஜங்ஷன்
personality.
ரோட்ல என் குழந்தையை துரத்திட்டு இருக்கேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும்.
தாராவி ஜங்ஷன்ல குழந்தைய நான் தொட.
என் குழந்தை மேல கைய வச்ச
Okay. She is suspecting that he is behind.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
God.
Driver also ran away.
அம்மா வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. அவங்க ஒண்ணும் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க.
So many guns.
நான் நினைச்சவங்க இவங்க இல்ல. இவங்க பேர் யாரோ. ஓடு ஸ்வேதா. ஸ்வேதா ஓடு.
Oh my god.
Roads are closed now. My goodness. That is too much scary, right?
Scary means I can't even imagine this situation actually. My god. Now.
Oof. This is the entry of the hero. Oof. My goodness. Fur.
Superb.
And he loves bikes. So he can do
He is
any
looking
kind of.
very handsome, man. Ajit sir is looking damn hot.
Oh my goodness. Wow. That is super. Right?
யாரோ காப்பாத்துறாங்கம்மா.
Oof. Now see the actions.
வேஷ்டி சட்டை போட்டிருக்காருமா.
In Dhoti and shirt.
She can understand now.
Goodness, super.
Awesome, man.
See how powerful he is looking. Thumb.
Wow.
Wow. That's the roar of the lion.
He's a Tamilian.
உனக்கு ஒண்ணும் ஆகாது.
Nothing will happen.
He's the father of the child?
I think so in this movie.
Okay. I really enjoy this kind of fight, okay? Wow.
Goodness. God.
Let's
That's
clap first,
action.
okay? The action scenes are outstanding.
I loved it.
Outstanding.
And I think you also loved it because
I
there was
loved
no
it.
bloods and all.
I loved it, and I really, I'm thinking, still I'm in that, think that how they have executed, man. It is so true and real. Every time we see, Tamil kind of movie scenes or, South Indian scenes
we
fighting.
don't feel like that
We
it
don't-
was something
हाँ.
they have done, right?
This is unbelievable, and the scenes are executed so brilliantly that no one can imagine that some action sequence is going on, some acting is going on. It is so real,
It's
real.
so presented so much real to
Correct.
the audience.
To the
that,
audience, yes.
It's
And
hats off
audience
to the
will
camera
enjoy.
graph also, cinematography and directors as well. So
Directors are
direction was
superb.
superb.
Direction was superb. Camera angle was superb, and the rain fight scene. Like I thought, it will be a little bit clumsy because rain fight scene it is not easy to execute. But
Right, that's
still,
true.
that is point. मतलब कोई एक पॉइंट भी कोई कम नहीं कर सकता.
Actually, they have shown a lot of the scene as a slow motion, so you were able to catch each and everything.
Each and everything. And Ajit sir's का look.
Yeah.
He is like
No doubt.
looking, matlab the most handsome person on this earth. He was looking like that. He is very suitable with the
I think, and in
dhoti
this
and
scene
white
only,
shirt.
he is acting as a father, right?
That is what I'm thinking.
Shweta is
Shweta's-
his child only, but the Shweta doesn't know him.
Maybe, but we are not sure about this, right?
I think
So-
that context is like that.
हाँ,
only.
like
And
that only. हाँ, Nayanthara is a mother.
his wife,
Wife
right?
only. Yes. I also thought like that, but yeah, definitely you can guys definitely let us know what is the context of this and why the girl was being targeted, why the goons are trying to hit her and
I think
kill
that
her.
was
Why the
her mother was some powerful person or
Acha,
some. It seems
maybe.
like some powerful lawyer or some
That is why.
powerful person. So some other goons were targeting her mother, but unfortunately that girl was in target. I think
Yes,
something
yes.
like that it will be there.
Maybe because I think he's the father and
Yes.
he wants his daughter back. I think that is why
Yes.
Nayanthara firstly suspect that chasing means he wants to kidnap. I think,
Yes, I
but
think
when
so.
she knows that he has the goons are having big sword and everything,
Yes.
then she understood no, it can't be Ajit sir because
Yes.
a father cannot harm a daughter,
Right, and
right?
and he is protecting her. So
He's
I think
protecting
that
her,
same thing
yes.
she told over the phone. So
Now
that's-
you are you are
in
okay.
safe hand.
Safe hand, yes.
Yes.
Definitely the execution of the whole scenes are made
Yes.
so beautifully and we enjoyed it like anything. And Ajit sir's acting,
No doubt, we don't have any
need
doubt.
to say
He's a lot. He's having a
lot
lot of
times,
talents also, and he's
his
in the
face.
industry since long. So
very good actually.
since long, he has gained a lot of the things and
Correct,
gained a
correct.
lot of the respect from the Tamil peoples and all. Yeah.
And the way he was telling calm, I am like, oh my god, his eyes, his expression, these portions are shaking.
Yes.
Matlab, it's brilliant.
brilliant acting, you can
brilliant.
say.
Yeah, hats off to the whole team. It is, I enjoyed this scene a lot actually.
Yes.
Okay, and we are hoping that you'll also enjoy today's content. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Deva Chitra, and he or she is commenting, please see the Mike Set Ghost video. Please, very comedy. Please, I am your biggest fan. Please see, I'm waiting. please. Okay, definitely we'll be doing,
Definitely.
and thank you so much for being the biggest fan. Okay, so yes, definitely we'll be doing the ghost video because we have a plan,
Yes,
right?
of course.
Very
and
soon,
also ghost
probably
video.
tomorrow.
It naturally it kind of be as scary, but,
But
it
it
will
will
be
not.
not scary in this.
It will
It
be
will be a lot
comedy.
of the comedies.
Yes, we can't wait to give the reaction, definitely. Okay, so yes, very soon it will be coming, and thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos.
So the second comment for today is from Bindu, and he's commenting react on Dumuktala 6 million views Tamil songs please.
Dumuktala nahi, shayad Dumukatla.
Okay,
Okay, we are
Dumukatla,
very
sorry.
sorry.
Dumukatla,
Dumukatla, I think
yes.
6 million views. Okay, and yes, I think 6 million views. Matlab this song is very popular.
Yes, of
right,
course.
and definitely we'll be doing. And thank you so much, for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Jagadish Nallavelli, and he's commenting Pawan Kalyan, brother of Chiru sir, Ram Charan, son of Chiru sir, and Allu Arjun, nephew of Chiru sir.
Wow.
Okay,
So
Bapre, Chiru sir is
Chiranjeevi
the
sir has a lot of branches.
sorry, okay, no offense. Yes, Chiranjeevi sir
Of
is
course.
the popular and very talented actor. He is the mega star. Okay, and so
also
many
all the relative,
talented persons are
his
coming out.
relatives are also talented.
Very
people, right?
talented. Okay, the whole circle is talented circle only. So definitely yes, Pawan Kalyan sir is very, he is the power star of
Yes.
Telugu film industry, right? And Allu Arjun sir is the
Stylish
stylish star. Yes, and Ram Charan sir is the dancing star, I think.
I
Some
don't
star
remember,
is
yes.
there, I think. So yes, definitely let us know. And three of them are super talented,
Yes.
including obviously Chiru sir. So
Yes.
yes, thank you so much for this information, and thank you so much for commenting and for watching our video. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone, whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.